Hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and this is my shopping life. I hope you're having a great day so far because we are back shopping at Costco. We're going to go over some baking essentials, especially for the holiday season. This is the baking week, at least for our family, so let's go aside and check it out. Now, we have the Cuisinart 12-cup die-cast food processor. This really is helpful, especially for baking, but also not just for baking, just for any time you're cooking. Now it's $200. It's back to the regular price. You can slice, shred, chop, emulsify, puree, and knead if you're making maybe like a holiday bread. Lots of great options with this set. Now, personally, this set for me really does come in handy, especially for baking. So, of course, you have a nice little variety. You have the whisk, the immersion blender, and the food processor. It comes with a storage bag as well. So if I'm needing to like whip up some eggs or whipped cream, this really always comes in handy. And it's a good size, so it's not too big but not too small, just the right size. And right now it is the regular price of $40. Now let me know in the comments below, what item do you only make that you look forward to making every holiday season? For me personally, it's the Portuguese sweetbread. It's a recipe that's been in my family for decades, and it's always so nostalgic, and it makes so much that I give it out as gifts as well. But what helps me is the KitchenAid stand mixer. Now this is the 6-quart mixer. $400, so it is back to regular price, but there are so many great uses. I use mine at least once a week. Now this one comes with 4 attachments, and this one atop with a spatula on the side, I use that one the most. And you also have a little guard that goes around, so it really does come in handy. We also have by Bakeware. This is the 3-piece baking set. So you're getting a standard cookie sheet, and then you're getting another sheet that's actually high side, which is really good, especially if you're making a roll cake. Also includes a lid. Now this 3-piece set is the regular price of $25, and it's oven safe up to 500 degrees. And remember everyone, if you want to know the latest here at Costco, all the great deals happening and all the new arrivals, please hit that subscribe button and join our friendly shopping community. We're going to continue on with the stainless steel mixing bowl set. $25. I personally did pick this set up because we really did need a new set. It has 3 greater attachments and the airtight lids. This is a really nice set, easy to clean, but personally I love the lids with this one, and $25 is regular price at the moment. We also have right next to it the colander set. This is a 3-piece colander set. Always comes in handy when you're baking, cooking, and I like the different sizes. As you can see right here, the small one, now I don't have this set, I have one very similar. The small one I use the most, but $22 is regular price at the moment. We also have our measuring spoons and measuring cups. This is a 10-piece set. So you're getting 4 measuring cups. Now they're stainless steel on the inside and on the outside copper plated. So those are hand wash only. However, the measuring spoons, you're getting 6 of them. Those are dishwasher safe. So the 10-piece set right now is at the regular price of $16.99. But hopefully those will go back on sale really soon. We have our cutting boards, which always comes in handy, especially if you're baking, cooking. Now this is a 3-piece set by Henkel's. They're dishwasher safe. And you can see the sizes right here. I did purchase this set 2 years ago, and it has really held up very well. Now right now it is the regular price of $18.99, and you do have 2 options. But as you see the stars, so they're going to start moving those out. And these are just so adorable. The gingerbread house, this is by Bakeware. And then we also have the pine forest. And these are just perfect for the holiday season. Both of these pans are really pretty. And the regular price of $24, but you see the star. Of course, these are only for the holiday season. Now here's another set by Tramontina. This is a 9-piece set. Actually, it's 11 because you're also getting 2 silicone trivets as well. But it has the non-stick ceramic bakeware set for for $50. And we also have the silicone muffin pan set. So you're getting actually 2 of them for $14.99. And the butter, the Kerrygold butter, $14.49. Of course, anytime it goes on sale, I immediately share that with you because it's always great when these go on sale. But you're getting 4 8-ounce bars. And then we have by Kirkland our unsalted sweet cream butter. So $14.50. So lots of great butter options at Costco if you're looking for salted or unsalted, organic or regular. So again, $14.39. So I do like all the options here at Costco. We also have our eggs. So 24 eggs, they're organic for $7.59. So the egg price will vary from store to store, or just the regular eggs for $5.19. Again, you're getting 2 dozen. The grass-fed butter. So this is the Kirkland. Comparing to the Kerrygold, I think they're both great. $9.99. The Kirkland parchment paper. Now this only goes on sale once a year, and it was on sale last month in November, so I did pick up a set, but $12.99. Still a lot of parchment paper. And the vanilla. This is pure vanilla extract. And I pick these up once a year here at Costco, but 16 ounces. And it's such a good price, $9.99. I remember a few years back when vanilla was very expensive, so I'm glad it's back to the kind of the regular price. 100% Madagascar vanilla bean paste. This is another good item to have on hand, especially with baking, but not only for baking. There's so many great uses. Yeah, you can use it in your coffee, smoothies. So I like having one of these on hand as well. And $19.99, but it has a star, so they're going to start to move that one out. We have by Kirkland, this is a fairly new item, the organic Madagascar vanilla beans. You're getting 20 vanilla beans per container. Now this is only here for a limited time. This container is $10 compared to other stores. This is one of the best pricing when it comes to vanilla beans. Our Nestle Toll House semi-sweet morsels. Great for making fudge and also chocolate chip cookies. You're getting 72 ounces for $14. Now, in my opinion, Costco has a good price when it comes to nuts. So we have the walnuts, 3 pounds for $10. And one of my favorites, pecans. So this is a 2-pound bag for $11.80. We have the organic brown sugar. Now, this package here at Costco is 7.5 pounds. And if you store it properly, brown sugar will last a very long time. And this one is $8.80, but it is a good one in my opinion. We have the Kirkland. Now, this is the organic virgin coconut oil, 84 ounces. I used to use a lot of coconut oil, but I kind of switched over to avocado oil. And honestly, it's just whichever oil that you like to bake with. But $12.99 for 84 ounces is actually a pretty good price. And the organic coconut milk, unsweetened, 6 cans. I like having these on hand. And those are $10.99. The 3-pound tub of cream cheese. This is definitely a good size for $10.50. Or if you're wanting the smaller bricks, now you're getting 6 of them here for $10. So each one is 8 ounces. The heavy whipping cream. Now this is organic by Horizon, 64 ounces for $14.59. Or by Sarah, the heavy whipping cream. Now this could vary from area to area, but again, 64 ounces for $9. Now this is a 10-pound box of Quaker oats. It's the old-fashioned oats, and there's 2 5-pound bags inside for $9.99. The Bisquick. Now this comes and goes here at Costco, so it's only here for a limited time. At $6.99 for 96 ounces. We have our Chex cereal, great for the party mix, rice, corn, and wheat. So you're getting all three. Has the recipe for the party mix. You can make it sweet or savory. That is up to you. But $7.99. And there's a lot of really great dried fruit here at Costco. It really depends on what you're baking with, but we have the organic dry blueberries, over 1 pound for $10.99, or the cherries. Now 20 ounces for $7.99. We have the craisins for $9.99, 64 ounces. And by Chosen Foods, the avocado oil, this is the one that I personally use, 2 liters for $21.89. We have the Kirkland Organic Saigon Cinnamon. This is over 10 ounces. So this is a good price of $4.99. We have our kosher salt, 3.3 pounds for $2.89, only here for a limited time. Our organic pecans. Now again, this is one of my favorites. At $11.99 for 1.7 pounds. And the sliced almonds. This is such a great price because trying to slice almonds, nearly impossible, at least for me. 32 ounces and worth the price. $6.79, but only here for a limited time. Now we have our regular whole almonds. So 3 pounds for $11.80. Or if you prefer the organic almonds. Now this is a little smaller, 1.7 pounds for $7.49. The dark chocolate, no sugar added baking chips. So it is sweetened with stevia, $12.59 for 32 ounces, but only here for a limited time. And the flour. So you're getting 2 10-pound packages. So definitely handle this with care. So that's 20 pounds per package. It's $16.49. It is unbleached and organic. Now, if you're needing more flour, this one is 25 pounds. And for $7.79, that's actually a pretty good price. Or if you use almond flour. Now this is a really nice one because it's very, very fine. So great for making macarons. $9.99 for 3 pounds. The C&H Pure Cane Granulated Sugar. So this is a 10-pound bag for $7.29. Looks like there's an accident here, so definitely handle these with care because this is the last thing you want spilled in your car. But the C&H sugar, 25 pounds for $17.80. If you need more, you have 3 options: 10 pounds, 25 pounds, and 50 pounds. So again, all 3 are by C&H, and this is $34.50. Now this is the one that I personally pick up, is the Kirkland brand, the organic cane sugar. It's really, really pretty. It almost looks like glitter. I know it's kind of hard to see through the camera, but 10 pounds for $10. It's unrefined and vegan friendly. Now, if you're wanting a sugar alternative, this is with the erythritol and monk fruit. So it is keto friendly. $8.99 for 32 ounces. Evaporated milk. You're getting 12 cans. Each can has 12 ounces for $12.99. Now, the pure baking soda, so many great uses from baking all the way to cleaning. So this is 13.5 pounds, a resealable bag for $8.90. The creamy peanut butter, this is organic. The Kirkland brand, you're getting 2 packages or 2 containers, 28 ounces each for $11.50. We have the organic blue agave. Now you're going to find this with the honey and syrup, but you're getting 2 36-ounce containers for $8.99. And the maple syrup, this is organic. This is by the Kirkland brand. And in my opinion, I think this is a really good one for $12.89, almost 34 ounces. The Wildflower Honey. Now this is definitely a good size container, 80 ounces. This is also the Kirkland brand. So lots of great honey options for $12.99. And the SoCal Raw Honey. So this is unfiltered, so it really depends on your area. Of course, we're here in Southern California, so we're going to find the SoCal here, $13.59 for 48 ounces. And with all the baking, you'll definitely need something to clean it up with, and the Swedish dishcloths always come in handy. So with this pack, you're actually getting 6 large ones, 6 smaller ones, different prints, so it's a pack of 12. And with these, you can use them over and over. Dishwasher safe, also machine washable as well. So I really do like having these on hand. And the price for each box, $12.99. Well, everyone, thank you so much for coming along to Costco with me today, checking out some of the items that you can use for baking. Of course, there's always a lot more. Thank you again for your time and for watching. Happy holidays, take care, and I will talk to you later.